Welcome to the installation and operation guide for the portable pressure saturated steam autoclave. This autoclave is designed for safe, efficient, and reliable sterilization using both electricity and gas. Section 1 About the product. This unit features a dual heating system with electric and gas options. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and the compact design makes it portable and user-friendly. Section 2 Key features. Key features include a stainless steel winglet lid with a silicone gasket for perfect sealing, over-temperature protection, a digital temperature controller, low water cutoff, pressure gauge and safety valves for extra protection. Section 3 Specifications. The chamber measures 300 by 300 mm with a capacity of 20 liter. The system operates between 115 to 121 degrees Celsius at 220 to 240 volts AC with a consumption of 1.5 kilowatts. Section 4 Unpacking instructions. First, carefully unpack the box and remove all content. Lay the content on a clean surface to avoid any damage. Here is a quick overview of what you'll find inside the box. 1. Sterilizer chamber, 1 piece. 2. Pressure gauge, 1 piece. 3. Steam release valve, 1 piece. Double safety valve, 1 piece. 5. Safety valve, 1 piece. 6. Silicone gasket, 1 plus 1 2 pieces. 7. Immersion heater, 1.5 kW 1 piece. 8. Water outlet, 1 piece. 9. Lid handle, 1 piece. 10. Wing nuts, 6 pieces. 11. Tripod autoclave stand, 1 piece. 12. Control box, 1 piece. 13. Tripod inner stand, 1 piece. 14. Water level sensor, 1 piece. 15. Temperature sensor, PT101 piece. 16. MCB 25 amp, 1 piece. 17. Gas stove, 1 piece. 18. Thermoprotective gloves, 1 pair. 19. Lighter, 1 piece. 20. Mechanical timer, 1 piece. 21. User manual, 1 piece. Section 5 Installation Guidelines. Before installation, ensure that the surface is level and stable. Verify the power supply, inspect cables, and confirm proper earthing. Electrical connections must only be handled by technical engineer. Section 6 Operating Procedure. Electric mode. Place sterilizer chamber on stand. Place the tripod stand inside the chamber. Fill with clean water below the tripod stand above the immersion heater. Inspect the gasket, close the lid, and tighten the wing nuts. Switch on the power supply by turning on the on-off, then a red indicating lamp will glow, setting the desired temperature. Press the Set button once. The digital display will show SP1 indicating that you are now in set point 1 mode where the sterilization temperature is defined. Use the up arrow and down arrow buttons to adjust the temperature value as required. The standard sterilization temperature is 121 degrees Celsius unless specified otherwise for particular materials. Once the desired temperature is displayed, press the Set button again to save the setting. The display will confirm that the new temperature has been stored in the controller's memory. Again, press Set button. Timer setting will appear. Use the up and down buttons to adjust the time value as required. Press Set button. Set time according to the material, then press Start. The system automatically regulates heat and time. Automatic timer activation and completion. Completion of sterilization cycle. At cycle completion, wait for pressure to drop before opening. Section 7. Operating procedure. Gas mode. Place sterilizer chamber on stand. Place the tripod stand inside the chamber. Fill with clean water below the tripod stand above the immersion heater. Inspect the gasket. Close the lid and tighten the wing nuts. For gas separation, ignite the burner. Adjust to a clean blue flame and monitor pressure until it reaches 15 psi. The safety valve will release excess pressure if needed. After sterilization, switch off the burner, slowly release steam, and wait for the chamber to cool before opening. Section 8. Safety precautions. Always wear heat-resistant gloves when handling sterilized materials. Open the lid slowly and away from your face to avoid steam burns. Drain remaining water after each cycle to prevent scaling. Section 9. Post-sterilization handling. After unloading, place sterilized materials on a clean perforated table for cooling. Keep sterilization drums slightly open to release residual moisture and ensure dryness. Thank you for choosing our portable pressure-saturated steam autoclave. Hi everyone! Today, we're unboxing and setting up the water purifier. A simple, electricity-free solution for purified water. 1. Unboxing. This filter works on gravity, with 2 chambers stacked one above the other. No electricity needed. Here is the lid. Notice the small hole for the knob. Next, we have the top chamber and bottom chamber with a sturdy anti-slip base for the tap. Inside this box, we get the accessories and filter candles. Filters and accessories. This unit comes with 2 filter candles. You can install anywhere between 2 and 4 candles. More candles mean faster filtration, but 2 are usually enough. We have a stainless steel tap separately, much sturdier and long-lasting. 3. Assembling the filter. Assembly is simple. Let's start with the lid. Just screw the knob by hand. No tools needed. Now, on the top chamber you'll see 4 holes. Since I'm using 2 candles, only 2 will remain open. 4. Priming the carbon filters. If you're using carbon candles, they need to be primed before first use. Place the candle under a tap and let water force through until you see droplets forming all around the surface. That means it's ready. Reinstall it back into the chamber. Attach the washers and nuts to fix each candle securely. Make sure they are perpendicular to the base. Next, let's fix the tap on the lower chamber. Insert the tap. Add the washers inside and tighten the nut. And that's it, no leaks. Now your water purifier is fully set up and ready to provide clean. For additional support or inquiries, please refer to the user manual or contact our customer support team. We're here to assist you.